Today we're getting rid of Derek and going Tiki. Stay tuned.
It's gonna be so good. Oh shit, he's here.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Today we're going to show you how to make a what is this? A Royal Bermuda Yacht Club Daiquiri. Danny and Derek.
And we're gonna raffle the cat off.
Ian,
No.
Dan,
You're not.
and first person who comments gets a free cat.
They're lying.
This cat was anything but free.
Yeah, there's another one in case you comment twice. So this recipe is going to be 2 ounces of Gold Rum, 1/2 ounce of Falernum Liqueur, or you can use Falernum Syrup if you have to. 1/4 ounce of Orange Curacao, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, and a dash of angostura bitters. I chose to use the dry Orange Curacao because why wouldn't you? We were using Velvet Falernum. So for the Gold Rum, this is obviously not what I'm probably going to a drink of this caliber, meaning age. It's an older drink. But I'm using Mount Gay because that's really, I found out, the only Gold Rum I have. I had a John Q and I drank it or something. I think. Oh, you know what happened?
When we made that rum?
No, when we made Mai Tais at the pool last week. I just blended like all of my rums together, like all the ones that were all. I have so many freaking bottles of just this, where you're just like.
You just start putting them together.
Yeah, except for that.
It's all good.
That's
a good one.
So, but. Use a Gold Rum. Gold Rums are typically going to be just like light rum, about 1 to 4 years, maybe a little longer. Typically a Gold Rum, like if you were to look at a Bacardi might as well be a Gold Rum. They just strip the color out of it so it becomes a clear rum. So you're not really getting a big difference in age unless it has an age thing on it that says like, I don't know, 4 years old, 8 years old. And then even then they play shenanigans where it's like a Solera 8 years and there's like a drip of 8 and then like, bulk of it's like a year and then maybe a little in the middle.
Yeah.
But in general, it's going to be younger. That's all that really matters. You're making a daiquiri anyway. I don't think you have to get too creative. The Falernum's probably going to overpower most of it anyway, is my thought.
Now, can you sub this out for like orgeat or anything?
No. You can, no. The best you could do is sub it out for like Falernum, like the syrup. Even that's going to make it sweeter.
It's going to be different.
Yeah. Which I think I have in here.
Oh, good touch with the big bottle. Sometimes they're hard.
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for recognizing
I
achievements.
Yay.
In the.
That's what I'm here for.
I don't know where I'm Falernum.
Literally just waiting to drink something.
Whatever motivates me to hurry the fuck up.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it was good. It was good. Sometimes I like try to do that. It's like,
Like if you look at the difference between this Falernum and this Falernum, this one does have a lot more like clove to it, but the main ingredient is sugar because it's a syrup.
Yeah.
And then in this case, the main ingredient is a spirit because it's a spirit.
It's a Gold Rum.
Okay.
Right there.
So you're gonna. I would probably leave out sugar if I was to use.
That looks good. I mean, who doesn't like a daiquiri?
I just would like it.
Communists.
You know how you know it's
Exactly.
You know how you know it's a
How do
tiki?
you know? Maybe they do.
Nope.
Well,
They hate everything good.
Okay then.
There you go. Facts. So the problem is with tiki drinks, which this kind of falls into because you're going to find it in tiki recipe books, is they're always freaking brown.
They are.
Well, it's an orange. It's
cool glasses.
Yeah,
We got the
it's
Gold
a-
Rum, the
yeah.
Ango in there.
That's true. That's why they have the glasses so you don't see
you
the
don't
color.
see it. You blend it in with some ice or whatever. This dates back to the 1940s. It's associated with the Royal Bermuda Yacht Club, go figure, established in 1844. The cocktail is a variation on your classic daiquiri. Whoa. Apparently
It's good.
made popular by American sailors, expats, Caribbean during the
Go dark.
20th century.
You already have some?
He's going to die.
Alright.
Yeah, I just like inhaled.
Did you do that thing where you go and it hits you right in the uvula?
Yeah, but it wasn't like vapors. It wasn't like
You got the
particulates.
vapors,
It was
though,
the
right?
vapors.
The vapors. Oh, that one's good.
I kind of do like that, but I think it's the rum.
It's the rum. It's
I love the cold thing.
the orange. The orange is good.
Orange, it's dry, it's sour, but I think
It is good. It's dry.
the Eclipse.
I don't know, dude. You really get
Everything with orange
The
curacao. The dry curacao is good.
Yeah.
I just love that stuff.
Yeah.
The Falernum is not nearly as potent.
I can't believe you took it away so fast.
I wanted to see if they liked it.
Like you're ruining.
This is the
back?
back.
You want it back?
Didn't answer fast enough.
I know.
It has like this limey brown sugar. It's definitely not nearly as clovey as the syrup, which I kind of
Yeah, it's
think
definitely not clovey. Like that drink
It's
was
not sweet at all.
no.
no, it's
But
sour.
It's good. No, it's good.
Mm.
It's sour and like almost brown sugary. Like,
Not too sour though. It's like
It's well
No.
It's a little bit tart,
you think
Yeah.
so? Like I
not,
don't
but,
think.
but not a bad tart. It's a good tart.
I think it's less tart than a normal daiquiri.
No.
Yeah.
I don't
No.
think so.
It's a different kind
Give me
of
that.
tart.
Let me try that.
It's the dry finish.
You took it away too
fast.
Last time I give you a drink.
She's the producer.
What the
she has
fuck?
certain responsibilities.
That's right.
I don't like.
You think
I
it's
usually
more
hit the
than a
tart.
daiquiri?
I think it's
He
less tart.
does.
I think it's less tart than a daiquiri.
I'm gonna have to.
Well, you have tart sensitivity.
Yeah,
That's
I'm
what
gonna
I'm
go.
saying.
I'm gonna go
But
with
that's
what
for
Dan's
lemon.
saying because Dan's right.
Citrus and citrus.
When we hand Dan a drink that has lemon and lime in it, he goes,
Yeah, when it's tart, I'll tell you when it's tart.
So much citrus when he's like eating a salad, like all it's
But-
fun.
Yeah, but it doesn't come across as tart.
Sour. It
Like
is.
that doesn't. There's no. I feel
You
like
have a
there's
weird
no
palate,
tartness
you
to
have a
that.
weird palate, it's something I.
Because the Ango definitely like
well,
also
the Falernum. You got the Falernum to distract. The dry Curacao.
Yeah.
That is a dry drink.
It
You
is
have
dry.
very dry. Yeah,
But it's great.
Mm.
there's
But it's a dry drink.
It feels light.
it's
There's-
a good drink.
there's
Yeah.
no other than the Falernum. There's no sugar component,
No,
so it
That's-
should
that's
really
true.
be sour.
The
Yeah.
Curaçao's got a little bit of sugar, but that's a
Yeah,
that's,
the
that's a
Curaçao.
high alcohol one too. That's not.
You know what? This won't give you a terrible hangover.
This is
There's no
only
sugar.
11%
Drink
alcohol.
enough of them.
So, yeah. Oh look, product of Barbados, just like that. So
let's see. They go together.
I hammered them together,
Boom.
made a perfect amalgamation of a drink. The other thing that I did that was pretty cool is I figured out, now that I realize so much on AI, I just have it refactor the history. I'm like, I'm going to say this on camera. Can you write this in a way that I can say it on camera without like having to go through fucking...
Great.
Nice. See?
Isn't that great?
Oh.
It changed our lives. We all sound
Yeah.
smarter
I
now.
know.
I don't know. This recipe is probably
Yeah.
half generated through. I used it for some of the. Yeah, this one I think actually did come from OpenAI a little bit. As long as you don't cite your sources, it'll be fine. So I would give this a try. I think if you have, so the trick here is this is a great drink as long as you get Falernum. Like that's the missing ingredient. Like
Yeah.
not every place. If you live in the Midwest or someplace where like when you go to like the liquor store and they have like 3 different rums and probably like 170,000 different vodkas and whatever, they don't, even if they have liqueurs like elderflower and like Luxardo, a lot of places don't have Velvet Falernum. I had to go to Total Wine in Burlington
Yeah.
in order to get that. I think you got me. No, that
I
might
got
be
you
the
that.
second one.
It's probably the second one.
Um,
But yeah, Total Wine was the only place that had that.
You probably have to go to like a big high-end distributor. Like Total Wine is pretty big.
yeah, you got to go to some place that you go in like a Walmart with a shopping cart.
And it's not state run.
Yeah. The other option is you go to Amazon, you get BG Reynolds Falernum, and then you just call it good, and it's going to be sweeter, but it'll be fine. Is he still playing with his cucumber?
He was.
You know, we'll make another cucumber drink just for you.
I'm playing with
Just
your
for
cucumber.
you.
Well,
He's
that's
hungry.
He's shaving it.
that's right. It's not a dildo.
He's shaving it.
All right.
It's not ribbed yet.
Go to awesomenedrinks.com and get yourself a bartender starter kit. That's
And
it.
then you can make this drink.
Yeah, you can make, well, it and all the ingredients.
Yeah, I mean,
But
you can do it.
You need, otherwise, you're shaking it with your
I
hands.
believe in you.
That's
I
all.
believe in you.
So that's it. We're teaching you how to drink.